Hello everyone, welcome to the video. In this video, we'll learn how to connect your website to the Google Search Console. Now, what is Google Search Console and how it actually do and how we can benefit our websites. So we'll learn everything in the video. So what actually Google Search actually index all the website data in a Google search engine. So whenever someone is searching for the data or someone searching for any info, it actually appears in front of them. Okay, so it actually index all the informations and you'll store in its search engines. But how it actually happens? So there are some crawlers. Okay, so which you can some crawlers and some bots are there which actually visits website from one website to every website. So one it visits from one website to visit every website 2, website 3, website 4, website 5. You visit every websites, and if you have any kind of link associated with one website, internal links, it will actually direct from one website to another. And once it's indexed, it will actually index all the data. After visiting, index all the data to the Google Search Console. Okay, so that it can appears, it will may visit from one website to another websites. Okay, if you have kind of internal links associated with the website, you can actually visit from one to. So it is a different part of the discussion, but actually improves the domain authority, the quality of our websites. Okay, to the authority of our websites, you have internal links which can redirect you from high value, high authority websites. Okay, so this is a part of the thing which actually part of SEO, but it actually crawls the data, it indexes the data, it visits one website to another websites. This is how it happens. Okay, and let's say you have visited this website. Okay, and you will index all the data in your search engine so that when someone is searching for it, it can appear in front of them. Okay, and we'll actually go to the Google search. This is actually a dashboard of the Google Search Console. Okay, so there are two properties is there: domain property is there, URL prefix property is there. We'll discuss in there what these two properties are and how two are different, how we can benefit, and what is the different if we go for domain property or for URL property. Okay, now here we'll come down to the difference between the two, the property we have. Okay, so firstly we'll actually discuss about the here the domain property, URL property and domain property is here. Firstly we'll discuss about the domain property here. Okay, so it's a domain level. What is actually it? It's actually a domain level property that includes all the subdomains. So let's say you have a website and example.com, or maybe let's say another website which is actually the gws.com, the growwithsam.com. It's my website, this is my channel I have. Okay, so it will index all the information of the websites. Okay, so it will actually index all the domains and the subdomain associated with the website. Let's say I have a kind of a blog website is also there. Okay, I have it is a main website, and according to associated with I have blogs like blogs.com, service.gws.com. It will actually in all the HTTP and all the HTTPS, it will index all the domains and subdomains, everything at once. Okay, so blog.com, blog.gws.com, services.gws.com, it will do everything. If you look at the picture here, it will actually the master branch is only inked here. Okay, it's only active here, so it's actually indexing all the subdomain associated with it. Okay, there's no sub branches are not indexed separately. It will index all at once on the master is actually indexed. The master domain is actually indexed. Okay, so and then we'll go for the another thing is called the URL property. So it actually includes only URLs with the specific prefix. Okay, so what it actually does is actually index all the subdomains separately. Okay, so under every domain, so for it HTTP and HTTPS. Okay, so very important, HTTP and HTTP both are different because all the subdomains are actually indexed separately for it. So blog.com, let's say services.com, everything are actually indexed separately. Let's say we have blogs, we have services, so everything actually indexed separately under the URL prefix property. They are not indexed at once. Okay, so we'll get the data separately, we'll get the data of the blogs separately, with the data of the services separately, with the analytics on the Google Search Console. It's actually very helpful if you want to track down all the different sections of your website separately, all the data separately. If you visit actually here, you will see the master is not actually the linked here. All the branches, sub branches are actually, main branch is not linked here, sub branches are actually linked here. Okay, so it actually index all the subdomains very differently, treat all the subdomains as different entity or property. and we get all the data. It actually helps us understanding which section, how the domain is, every part of our website actually functioning, how is the blog is actually performing, how many traffics we are getting for the services section, we know to how it's actually people are checking out the portfolio or the testimonial sections of the business website. So actually helps in understanding the data, traffic more, accurately, more gives us more, output or the view of our business, of different pages of our business. Okay, so that is actually the benefit of the URL property here. Okay, and so this is another property. Okay, so this is actually the difference and importance of the URL property here. I'll just try to just circle it a bit nicely. I'll just, okay, so URL property here, I've just do it discussed everything here. I mentioned some both are differentiation because every property is actually is being treated differently, separately, not at once. Okay, so this is actually all about the URL property and the domain property. Okay, now we'll go for the verification process, we'll go for the indexing process. Okay, so I'll actually go for the domain verifications because I want all my data to get indexed at once. I'll 10x my marketing, I'll just type it down the my website I want to index its .name. Okay, I'll just click on continue and it'll just give it some time and a check will appear. So it will actually tell us how to our data get verified. It will actually go through the DNS verification method. Now you have to understand about, you have to knowledge about how the DNS verification happens. So you don't need to know a lot of the thing here. Okay, so everything code for everything is mentioned here. We just need to go to the dashboard of our hosting provider. I have hosting just came here. So what in the dashboard you actually go for the domain options. Okay, you have a domain hosting everything. You will go for the domain also because under domain you will only get the DNS server. So if you check the left side, okay, there's a DNS server thing is already mentioned here. Okay, you don't need to do anything, you have to add a new record, but the type is very important. So to check what is the type there, that is the TXT method. Okay, so you have to match the record type. Okay, so I'll just do the type here. I'll do the TNT DNS verifications method. I'll just put in the value here. Okay, I'll just copy and paste all the DNS the code here. Okay, I'll just copy the here and I'll just paste the the value here. Okay, I'll just paste it here. I'll just click on add, don't need to do anything. I'll click on add record. Okay, and it will automatically DNS record will automatically be created. Okay, now I have to go back to the search console and I have to click on verify here. Okay, and it will take some time. And now we have our ownership has been verified of the domain with the DNS server method. Okay, so go to the property here. Okay, so the dashboard. Okay, on the left you will see that no data is already here. On the left you will see the 10x marketing. So you can add another property, another domain, or whatever you want. We have just indexed it, so you won't have any data here. Okay, it is a very fresh. It will take some time to index and process all the data. Okay, so you won't see anything here. Just after indexing, it will so blanks all the pages, sitemap, removals, everything is here. Okay, so I think I have successfully explained the process of connecting your website to the Google Search Console. It helps in indexing the website so that if someone is searching for data or information, it appears on the Google search engine. Okay, I think so. If you want me to make videos more like this, okay, you can subscribe and share this channel, and wish you all the best.